হ্যালো আসসালামু আলাইকুম আমার এখানে চিন্তা করবো নাকি জন্মগুলো বইখান আরো সেখানে আমার নাম হইলো তিন জায়গার আলী আমেরিকা থাকি আপনার সামনে একটা রেপ গান নিয়ে গেলাম আমেরিকা থেকে নিউ টু ছেলে গোলাপ ময় ভাই শুরু করো Oh my hoodie, Gully. Oh my hoodie, they call me icy. They call me icy. Yeah. Oh my hoodie. I'm walking to your gully on my hoodie, walking to your gully on my hoodie. Shala, don't try to push me. Shala, don't you push me. King Hazir, Bangai Tiger, you know me. That's a dear hati on my hoodie. If you come out, chicken biryani, then you can look at the bucket. It's a hati silati, Bangali, walking to the gully on my hoodie. Yeah. Down on focus, I'm here like this is to a host. Give me energy. Got you be a routine. Shall I don't try to push me. First in line, don't hate me. What's so mine, don't fake. King is here, open the gate. Straight pull up on G. That's the DA hati on my hoodie. That's the DA hati on my hoodie. That's the DA hati on my hoodie. Hey yo. Jangan taki, takkan amiga itunda boro mato kintu buku fatana itunda bunda niga buku buku sabu sabu. Tudang ko si ita tiger dekha ase, he hati ki aisi ita ali dekha ase. Hasa hota hoile tunda gusi trene tore beta. Bete bal, tiger samne aile tunda fesha pori jay bete dekili muami. Apon kichus tunda dekha ili muami. This is the man with the hoodie. This is the man with the hoodie. Hey, go ahead. Yeah, apon kachat. Apon kachat maiga. She's silly, gotta empty my clique on you fully. I'm not a billionaire. Yeah, act serious. Walking to your block on your hoodie. I'm walking to the block. I'm walking to your block with my hoodie. Don't you push me, Shala. You push me. Yeah. Look who, Shubari and Haida Motivogi too. This is what we like to do. Fuck up, get high. Count money is easy too. R.I.P. to the legend. Anything. Nigga, don't step to it. 24. Yeah. Looking at your heart, yo, what the finish? Beat this shit, you got it. It's like, I'm the champion. Are you tight? I lose up the leader, I lose up. Kuna लागतो आणि यार बुला म्हणजे सरताने होते ना किती मिळते आमच्या अमेरिका किती कोणा दुनियामध्ये शिकत पाहते ना कारण आमचा सिलेक्ट ठीक आहे आमच्या किती माणसं आमच्या काही मूव खायचं दाखवू केस्टा बद्दल फरमाने ओके दे भाई अस्सलाम वालेकुम